How to temporarily deactivate Instagram account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Instagram application here. Then tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Then tap the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen here, and then from here just go to the option called Account Center. Then just go to Personal Details from the bottom. Once you go to Personal Details option, here you should be able to see all these sorts of interface where you can select the option called Account Ownership and Control right from here. Once you go to Account Ownership and Control, select Deactivation and Deletion, and from here select your Instagram account. Once you select your Instagram account, select the option called Delete Account, because by default deactivation is going to get selected. Select Delete or maybe Deactivate, whatever option you're looking for. You can tap the Continue option from here and then enter your password in order to temporarily deactivate it, and if you want to reactivate it, you can log in anytime in the future. This way you can temporarily deactivate Instagram account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.